What's up? It's C-Dub with OPM Airsoft, and I'm over here at High Ground Airsoft for their Wednesday night brews and pews. But before we get the video started, I just want to say a few things real quick. So today I'm going to be using my shotgun. Nothing really special, you know. It's just the what's it called? The Matrix Double Eagle. I think it's Double Eagle. It's either Double Eagle or Golden Eagle. Can't remember. But the gas CQB shotgun. But what I'm really excited to show y'all is what not really me, I just helped design it, and then my buddy over at Service to Air Precision is the one who wrote all the programming, did all the hard work and the machining. But anyhow, we have came out, or we are going to be coming out with a fully CNC'd aluminum shotgun shell to M4 adapter. And it fits, like I said, these Matrix Golden Eagle shotguns really well. They're also the Tokyo Marui spec, so it'll pretty much fit anything else, and it's pretty tight fit. You see, only just like slight little wobble, but nothing crazy. The weight, honestly, I thought we were gonna have to do cutouts, but like the weight is perfect. The release is super easy. So I'm really excited to get some gameplay footage with them. They work really, really well. We're getting towards the end of our testing phase, and we will be here at Evike Airsoft for the buy-sell trade. I'll put what date it is in the video just because I can't remember. But we'll be here for the buy-sell trade, and we're gonna have probably about 10 of these adapters with us. And yeah, man, I'm really excited. This is a pretty cool innovation. Most of the ones I've been seeing that are out there are all 3D printed, but I'm excited to run a CNC'd one.
Where's the renting flag?
Huh?
Where's the renting flag?
Same place. It's a box right next to Alamo.
Okay.
Our flag is like on their side, and their flag is on our side.
I think we're going to the right side.
I'm doing.
I'm right for the flag, which is right here next
Yeah,
to
me
Alamo.
too. I got a
Yeah,
shot.
okay. Well, then I'll follow you guys. How about that?
Yeah. I got a shotgun. I don't have much range, but I can have fun.
Is that a new gun?
Huh?
Is that a new gun?
No, I've had it. I got it fixed, and I'm using our new CNC'd shotgun adapter.
Damn.
Me and my buddy
Looks
made.
good,
Me and my buddy made these, so we're gonna. I just gotta get video with it, and we're gonna release them at the buy-sell trade.
Gotcha. Looks awesome, man.
Thank you.
Did a good job on it.
Dude, it feeds great. It's.
Y'all gonna run through this door? Okay, I'm gonna go this way.
The weight's amazing. Like it's amazing. It's gonna hurt though. I ain't got like nothing. I got behind you, Streaks. Oh, hit it. Appreciate it. Alamo's dead. What? There's at the flower pot. Okay.
Doorway.
Hey, he's right across the pool hall. Arcade. Fuck him, he's on arcade. Where? I'm a crossover. We're all the way up, so. Got him. Just see where it's going. Ah! What the fuck? That looked like a goo. First game. Got to get back used to it. Also with the mask. But the adapter's awesome.
Red team, you are close. Blue team, you are far. Stand up. Scan. Load out.
Hey, where you going?
What? Oh, red? I thought.
Yeah. Yeah, you can. I mean, if you want, but she knows the numbers. In these mags, I'm using PTS EPM 1s. Super tight fit on the mag. Slight wobble, but like I said, we got to be able to fit more than one model, so that's awesome. Yeah.
Whoa!
Woo!
Whoa! We got a leak!
Oh no! Was that Sam?
Yeah. Move her line. Sam.
It's because she had her magazine in her gun, wasn't it? She don't care.
Every time you try to talk to me,
I know, you just be vibing. That's why I was like, never mind. She don't give a fuck. Behind you. You're blue?
Yes, I do.
I bet.
Jesus, we scared the shit out of him.
Hey, just double checking, baby. There's two right back there in that corner. Domination!
Good job. Okay. Dude,
Our flipper friend is up there.
I just did him so fucking dirty. So many people ran out of ammo, was shooting at me. I'm just like, ah. I'm done with the shotgun after this game. No, needless to say. Upstairs. No. Let him know that I know he's there.
There's somebody in the building right over there. Right.
Hey, in this building right here. He's in that little market building. Where? Where?
Oh, it's probably coming from second floor. Yeah, second floor. I'm out of gas and beef and everything.
Second floor bank. Game over. That was awkward.
That too. How do you do that? Woo!